Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechReady 24/7, and in today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of a pair of smart wireless Bluetooth glasses by Gelete. Now if you're interested in this, you can pick this up off of Amazon. We will leave links for you down in the description area. So with that said, let's open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing we see looks like a pouch here, and it's a leather pouch. Sure, the sunglasses are inside of that, but we're going to look at that in a moment here. We'll set that down there. See what else we have. We have, looks like a USB cable, and that would be for charging the sunglasses. And then we have a pair of earplugs. So I guess if you want to get a better sound, you can plug it up, you can plug the earplugs into the glasses and isolate noise better. And last of all, we have a microfiber cloth. We have a microfiber cloth, and we have our user manual. So be sure to check out the user's manual. I'm sure there's good information in it. Now we're going to jump back to the pouch here. Now the pouch is okay. It's kind of nice little item to have to carry your glasses with. And so just pull that loose, and we can look inside here. We have our sunglasses. So these are pretty cool. The mirror kind of glasses are blue. Now these particular Bluetooth glasses come in different lens colors. You can get transparent. I believe you can get like a black, a gray, the blue of course, and a yellow. And so these look pretty nice as far as glasses are concerned. And if we were to look a little closely at the glasses, we'll see on one of the arms, which is the right arm, you have some different buttons. This is where you work everything. So right here, if you look closely, you see a little hole. That is the mic. The first button here represents the off and on button. And when you're trying to sync your glasses, you press and hold that for 3 seconds, and then check your phone. If you're syncing it to your phone, look for A12. So when you push that for 3 seconds, look for A12, which represent this model number for the glasses, where you can sync your glasses to your phone. And so the second button here is kind of like your volume up. And so you press that and hold to make your volume go up. If you press it quickly, it'll jump forward to the next track. The third button here, if you press it and hold, will make the volume go down. And if you press it real quick, it will go backwards in tracks. And as you can see here, this is your micro USB port. Now, as we saw earlier, you had your cord to where you can charge this up. And with these glasses, you get up to a 3.5 hour playback. Plug in your USB cord there and then plug it into the wall. And then also, you have another little hole. This is your LED indicator. Now your LED indicator, like when you push the on and on button, off and on button and hold it for 3 seconds, this will blink blue and red to let you know it's in pairing mode. And then last of all, down here where you see these cut-ins here, these are your speakers. And so your glasses are open air sound, so it'll it's playing near your ear. And so you can hear it, or you can take those earplugs and plug it into there and isolate some of the sounds that you hear from around. But all in all, these look pretty good. Definitely the lenses is something I like. Now the sound to me sounds a little tinny. And now I'm going to play it on my phone real quick to let you see how it sounds, and you tell me what you think. I'm going to set them down here for a second. Reach over here and grab my phone. So what we're going to do is put my phone here, and then we're going to connect to the headphones. And so, as I said, the model of the sunglasses is called A12. So we will push this and hold it for a couple seconds. Press hold that for 3 seconds. And as you see, it's going into pairing mode. and then we touch the A12, and as you see on the phone now, it's connected. So we're going to jump back to our music, Samsung Music, and we're going to play a track to let you hear what it sounds like. And again, like we said, the sound is coming from here, and if you want to isolate more background noise, you could plug your you could plug your earplugs, which we had over here. Earplugs, which we had over here, that would plug into that USB spot, and then put the plugs in your ear, and you can kind of isolate music some more. Let me double check something. I think I knocked that out of playing mode. Let me do that again. Okay, as you can see, the red and blue is flashing again. Then I'm gonna reach over here and hit A12 so it can connect to my Galaxy Note 20. Now it's connected. As you can hear on the glasses, it was saying connected. So we're gonna hit done, and then we're gonna play this one track here. See, that track has a lot of bass, and so it doesn't come through real well on the headphones. Like I said, it sounds kind of tinny. Now we're going to pause it just to let you see how it sounds on the phone if we were to disconnect that. And as you heard, the glasses said you're disconnected, and we were to go back to the music section and play that same track again. It's a big difference. So as you can see, what I meant by it sounds tinny, kind of sounds like it's in a can. So that'll be the one thing that I'm not too crazy about the glasses, but the glasses look good. The blue is very nice, and it looks well on you, but the sound isn't that good. So that's about it for our video for today, doing a quick unboxing and review of the wireless Bluetooth smart glasses from Gelete. So hopefully we shared something that you could use as something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.